Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share some smart ways to budget and save money for your dream home construction. Building your own house can be a thrilling experience, but it can also be challenging when it comes to finances. So, let's dive in. First, start by setting a realistic budget for your construction project. Break it down into different categories like materials, labor, permits, and unexpected expenses. Stick to this budget throughout the process to avoid overspending. Next, take advantage of cost-saving opportunities. Consider buying slightly used construction materials or appliances to save money without compromising on quality. Also, keep an eye out for discounts and sales from local suppliers. Another tip is to prioritize the essentials. Focus on the major elements of your dream home that are essential for your family's needs rather than splurging on unnecessary additions. You can always upgrade or add those later when you have more financial flexibility. When it comes to financing, explore different options. Research various lenders and compare interest rates to find the best mortgage or construction loan for your situation. Don't forget to factor in any down payment requirements as well. To avoid costly surprises, plan and account for unforeseen expenses. Set aside a contingency fund of at least 10% of your total budget to cover unexpected issues or changes. Lastly, keep track of your expenses and stay organized. Maintain a detailed spreadsheet or use financial management software to monitor your finances and ensure you're staying on track with your budget. Remember, building your dream home is a journey. By following these smart finance tips, you can save money, stay on budget, and turn your dream into a reality. Thank you for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Good luck with your dream home construction.